बातों में नहीं, अखाड़े में जीतने की मर्दानगी किसी में है तो उसे भेज।
कौन है वो? क्रॉसओवर एथलीट, ऐसा खिलाड़ी जो 2 खेलों को मिलाकर एक खेल में ढालता है।
हम पेद्दी है साहब, अब चाहे जीत हो या हार होगी हम पहाड़ी जाम वालों।
It was physically it was very challenging. Thanks to first of all Salman sir and Amir sir for giving us and paying the part for such films like Sultan and Dangal. It gave us so much confidence. Thank you sir. Thank you both of you for starting this journey. And it was we believe that these kind of films had worked in the past, and obviously we followed the same route, and the transformation was inevitable. It has to be done. It is part of the story. When he narrated to me, I remember in my house, वो नीचे अच्छा carpet डाल के पूरा script ऐसा रख के he was going by one reading, and 2 hours 40 minutes. I didn't have anything to say. I just got up and we started this journey. I knew it was going to be physically very, very tiring, and it's all worth it for this man and the subject he's written. It is a very, very sincere film. This is about a man's search for his identity. So everybody, we all need some kind of an identity to live, to go through the day. And this is about Piddi, who's finding his identity. Wo identity crisis रहता है. Right. Through that, how he has found an identity for a very, very big reason, very big larger cause, and what all he had to go through. The crossover athlete, क्यों crossover athlete बना है? So what led him to do what he is? The pain in Delhi, you saw it's a beautifully etched film. It is organic at the same time. It's highly commercial, and it will take audience of all ages will be very, very happy and surprised to see this film. And I also believe this is the most inspiring story I have done in my life. Not just me. My dad. My dad saw part of it and he said, Ram, for anybody to get a film like this, it normally takes a decade. Har saal mein we can't have a Magadhira or RRR. It takes a while. He said, please relish every moment of this because you're not going to get a movie like this again. So when my Magadhira happened in 2007, then RRR Rangasthalam, it took 10 years. But luckily now अभी तो थोड़ा जल्दी आ गया ये film. So good films don't come very easily, and this is one of those films I want to keep in my library forever.
You just talked about RRR, sir. There's this observation, people say जब आप bow and arrow उठाते हो तो भगवान राम का डायरेक्ट आशीर्वाद मिल जाता है. यहाँ पे it's a mace and a gada, so हनुमान जी का आशीर्वाद. Are you like the best, like the most best superhero that we have? ऊपर से बॉस की पूरी blessings मिल रही है, है ना?
Completely needed. I mean, my name is Hanuman Ram Charan ke Tej. So I'm a big follower, and he's the god of Kushti,
Yes. What did you love the most, sir? Like Kushti, cricket, या क्या cross country क्या किया मुझे नहीं पता है.
Cross country. Kushti, yeah. I mean, I don't know.
Yeah, Janvi, yes, thank you so much.
Yeah, of course, Janvi is on top of the list. I mean, it's physically challenging. I don't know how Amir sir and Salman sir has done it. I have a lot of injuries. But every single day there is this feeling where I want to wake up today and go to sets.
Right.
It was not like school जा रहे यार today कितना shooting करना है. No, I don't want to leave my sets. This is one of the first few movies where I didn't want to leave the sets. I want to wake up at 5, work out and go there. So as a school boy, so it is very interesting that feeling we should retain when we're doing a movie.
Right.
You know you're doing something right.
People associated with it, लेकिन सबसे पहले प्लीज हमें बताइए वो जो बिंदास अंदाज में आप दिख रहे हैं ना, we've seen you portray a lot of characters, लेकिन ये सबसे हटके सबसे बिंदास है. You're killing it. So here, adapting that body language, the language, and of course that attitude, how was it for you?
It was all बुच्ची सर. ये जैसे कि इन्होंने कहा ना कि ये लग रहा है ऐसे छुई हुई से ये है नहीं, ये सबसे राउडी डायरेक्टर है इंडिया का. But honestly, it's been an honor for me. I think ये फिल्म ने मुझे बहुत कुछ दिया है. इतना सुपर ट्रेलर दिया, आप सबसे इतना प्यार दिया. होपफुली फॉर्चून के बाद और भी प्यार आएगा. बट रियली इस मूवी के दौरान मैं सब लोगों को जान पाई हूँ. ऑफ कोर्स देवेंद्र जी के साथ काफी कम सीन्स रहे हैं, बट होपफुली इन द फ्यूचर. डांगी सर के साथ ये मेरा दूसरा फिल्म है, एंड आई थिंक आई लुक द बेस्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिज कैमरा. सो थैंक यू सर, ऑलवेज. It's always an honor to be a part of a film where Rahman sir is doing the music. It's I think our second collaboration together. It's been a complete honor. और ये जो इंसान है जो मेरे बगल में खड़े हैं, इन्होंने honestly he's changed me in so many ways. In fact, I think एक पॉइंट पर मैं जिस तरह से इनको अभी कॉल करती हूँ ना, ये मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो गए. हर रोज मुझे ये कॉल करेंगे कि सर कैसे जा रहा है, सर डबिंग करें, फालतू की बातें करती हूँ मैं, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि रोल तो खत्म हो गया है, लेकिन मैं सिर्फ आई थिंक इट जस्ट गोज टू शो द इन्वेस्टमेंट. इवन सतीश कारू, इन्होंने मुझे इतना अपनापन दिया है सेट पर. I feel like there's a genuine sense of ownership with the film, and it is genuinely one of the biggest honors of my life to have worked with Ram sir and to see what he's done in this film. And I think because of all of the love that everyone's obviously given Mom and Chiranjeevi sir throughout the years, I understand कि बहुत ही अलग टाइप का जुड़ाव है लोगों को हमारे साथ, and it means a lot to us, but it felt very cosmic to come together for a very special film with him and to get to know him as a person, because he's the best person. He really is the best person. So I hope that you all enjoy everything he's given to the film, because we've all given a piece of our hearts to the film. So yeah. और भाषण दे दिया. अभी क्या सवाल पूछेंगे?
मैं सिर्फ यही पूछना चाहता हूँ, लुक देख के हम लोग तो सब एकदम ऐसे हो गए कि वाओ जानवी, और ऐसे आपके लिए जब पहली बार अपना ये लुक देखा था तो क्यों, क्या व्हाट वाज दैट फर्स्ट थिंग जो दिमाग में आई थी?
मैं तो सर इनके कन्विक्शन पे जा रही थी, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही हटके डायरेक्शंस देते थे मुझे कि जीप के साथ ये करो, स्कर्ट के साथ ये करो, ऐसे बात करो. तो ये कैरेक्टर का जो अंदाज है, जो तेवर है, वो बहुत हटके है, बहुत अतरंगी है. So yeah, I've gone completely on his conviction. कोमल सर रिव्यू जब देंगे ना, जो भी मैंने किया आप इनका नाम लीजिए. But really it was so exciting, क्योंकि मेरे हिसाब से पिछले 2 साल में मैं बहुत खुल गई हूँ, and उसका क्रेडिट सिर्फ ये फिल्म को जाता है और बुच्ची सर को जाता है. So thank you.
वाओ.
बातों में नहीं, अखाड़े में जीतने की मर्दानगी किसी में है तो उसे भेज.
कौन है वो? क्रॉसओवर एथलीट, ऐसा खिलाड़ी जो 2 खेलों को मिलाकर एक खेल में ढालता है.
हम पेद्दी है साहब. अब चाहे जीत हो या हार, होगी हम पहाड़ी जाम वालों.